I saw the movie Thin Line yesterday, and I must comment on the production and the casting. That everything was spot on. But what actually caught my attention is the fact that what happened to Pastor Raymond happens to people in one way or the other on a daily basis in this country and even outside this country. And the sad part is that every other person would have panicked just the same way Pastor Raymond panicked because of either their name, their business, their family, what people will say. Different reasons will have made them panic. And what happened is that when you panic, you look for another unlawful act, an illegal act to cover the one that has happened, which gives birth to other illegal acts. So Pastor Raymond would have prevented his wife from being convicted for murder, prevented Annie from dying, prevented himself from sexual exploits, even saved his money, saved his ministry. He would have saved a lot of stuffs, events from happening if he had contacted a law enforcement agents like the police, or if he had spoken to his lawyer immediately the events happened. Because we all agree that what Annie did was rape. Now, maybe because of the argument of when does rape occur, based on the most important element, which is penetration, we have other alternatives like sexual assault, degrading of his dignity of a person. Then we even have offenses, adding substance to his drink. So we have like the criminal code act, the penal code act, depending on the jurisdiction the event happened. We have the violence against person act, the constitution, even other laws on substances that would have been enough to remedy the situation. That would have been enough to prosecute Annie for what she did to Pastor Raymond. Then, secondly, when you are invited by the police station as a suspect, or you are being arrested by the police as a suspect, don't panic. The moment you panic and you put yourself in trouble, because Raymond would have been in trouble, Pastor Raymond would have been in serious trouble if the main culprit was not found, because he was giving different statements before his lawyer came in. You need to understand that the job of your lawyer, the availability of your lawyer, his job is to guide you so you don't incriminate yourself. So what I'm trying to say in essence is that this is a beautiful movie because at least it relates to issues that happens in real life. And when you find yourself in a situation like that, not necessarily that has to do with Pastor Raymond, but when you are a victim, you need to understand that whenever you are a victim, the law is always by your side. And in Nigeria, we have a robust different laws enacted to cover, to remedy any circumstances that you might find yourself. Yeah, that's just my own take on the movie.